Okay, a lot of you will probably be asking this question, if not now, a bit later on. One of the Excels or the spreadsheet worksheets will be asking you to insert header and footer codes, okay? And particularly, it wants you to insert a header footer code that prints the current date. So, of course, the help thing in Excel wasn't that much help at all. So I went to the next best thing. I went Googling. And this is what I found. Okay, bettersolutions.com gives you a list of header and footer codes. Okay, so remember this. This is the one we want to do. This one, print current date. Okay, so it's an ampersand. This thing over here, the one that looks like a number 8 with tails. Okay, that's what we call an ampersand. Okay, and so to print the current date, we want the ampersand and the uppercase D, capital D. Okay, so let me put this away. So remember that, ampersand D. Now let's go to our Excel workbook. Okay, so you need to insert header footer. So it's so weird. The term they use is insert header footer, but of course if you click on insert, there is no header footer in it. Where did they put it? They put it in view. For what reason? I have no idea. I have no idea what kind of logic it has for them. But remember, if you want to insert a header and footer, don't look at insert, look at view. Okay? Now, I don't know if I told you I'm using Excel 2011. So I suppose the command should be the same. So just look for where header and footer is in 2007. Okay? So here's header footer. Most probably it's in page setup because look at the heading here. It says page setup. Okay? So now you see header and footer. Okay? Now, in order to put our header footer code, remember ampersand D. Okay? You need to click on customize footer. Okay? Now, if the instruction sheet tells nothing about where you need to put it, let's say if it doesn't tell you whether it needs to be in the left, center, or right, choose where you want to put it. I just want to put mine on the right because it looks prettier on the right. But if the instructions tell you to put it in a certain area, left, center, or right, you need to do so, okay? So let's type it, ampersand. Where is the ampersand? It is on top of the number 7. So that's shift 7 and you have the ampersand and capital D, okay? And so you see over here, it shows you the date today. So what ampersand D will do is that every time you open the document and you want to print it, it will show the date that you open the document to print it. Okay, so this one is going to change depending on what day you open it. Automatically, it's going to change because you did that footer code. Okay, so click OK. So let's now put some text. Okay, Mrs. Nas is pretty. Albert had a haircut today or yesterday. Kelson is always happy. Okay? Gary's last name is Wong. Duh. Okay? So let's put our text. Okay? And check by printing. Okay. So if you look at the print, you can see that there's the date over there. Okay, if you look at the preview, okay, and scroll down, you will see that there is the date. Okay, October 3, 2011, because today is October 3, 2011. So if you open and print it tomorrow, it's going to show what? Can't hear you. Excellent. October 4, because tomorrow is October 4. And so on and so forth, without you changing anything. Okay? So, that's it for inserting header and footer codes. Remember, it's in bettersolutions.com. Anyway, I'm going to upload this picture to ICT NAS and Facebook. Okay? So, see you guys when I see you guys. Bye-bye.